Addition of vectors, Part 4.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss exercise 4b problems. In that, we have three formulas. The first one, the vector equation of the line passing through OA and OB. Here, the vector equation passing through the two vectors OA and OB. So that equation is r bar equals to 1 minus t into OA plus t into OB. Here t is any constant. Here how to write the vector equation line passing through the 2 points. See here r bar is equals to 1 minus t into first vector plus t into second vector. And the second formula, the vector equation line passing through the OA vector and parallel to the another vector. Then that equation can be written as r bar is equal to OA. First you should write passing through the vector plus t into parallel vector, that is OB. And the last one, the vector equation of plane passing through OA, OB and OC. Here we have three vectors. Then the vector equation of the plane is 1 minus s minus t into first vector. Next, what is the second constant? S. So s into second vector. And the last constant is what? T. So t into third vector. So based on these formulas, we have 4 marks and 2 marks problems. See the first problem. If A, B, C are non-coplanar, find the point of intersection of the line passing through the 2 points. This is the first vector and this is the second vector. Suppose this is any line, that line passing through the 2 vectors. This is first point and this is the second point. For example, this is some A bar and this is some B bar. And with the line joining the points. See here, this is another line. This line passing through the 2 vectors, so C bar and B bar. Here you need to find the point of intersection of these two lines. See here, you know that the vector equation of the line passing through the 2 vectors, that is r bar is equals to 1 minus t into OA plus t into OB. First you should write the equation of the line passing through the OA and OB, and again the vector equation of the line passing through OC and OD. So write the 2 vector equations and we can find the point of intersection of these 2 vector equations. Okay. See here. So let us consider the given vectors. Let OA bar is equals to 2a plus 3b minus c, and the second vector OB bar is equals to 3a plus 4b minus 2c, and third vector OC bar is equals to a bar minus 2b plus 3c, and OD bar is equal to a bar minus 6b plus 6c. First you should write the vector equation line passing through OA and OB. See here, we know that the vector equation of line through 2 vectors OA bar and OB bar is, so what is the formula? R bar is equals to 1 minus t into OA plus t into OB. Now this is r bar is equals to 1 minus t. What is OA vector? First one, you should write the bracket 2a plus 3b minus c plus t into what? Second vector, that is 3a plus 4b minus 2c. This is equation 1. And again you can write the vector equation of the line passing through OC and OD. Again the vector equation of line through OC and ODs. Again, what is the formula? R bar is equals to, you can take any other constant. Already we have t. and take other constant some s into what? OC bar plus s into OD bar. So write OC vector and OD vector. That is R bar is equal to 1 minus s into OC vector. A bar minus 2b plus 3c. Next, plus s into OD vector. A bar minus 6b plus 6c. This is equation 2. Here you need to find the point of intersection of these two vector equations. So here both LHS are equal, RHS also equal. That is equation 1 is equals to equation 2. First you can take A bar coefficients. This is coefficients of A bar in the first equation. What is A bar coefficient? 2 into 1 minus t. So write 1 minus t into 2. Next, plus 3t. Okay. This is the A bar coefficient, which is equal to A bar coefficient in the second equation. 1 minus s into 1, that is 1 minus s. Here what is A bar coefficient? S plus s. So s get cancelled. So multiplying these two, 2 minus 2t plus 3t, which is equals to what? 1. So 3t minus 2t. What is the value? T. So t is equals to minus 1. Now substitute t value in equation 1. So here that is equation 1 implies R bar is equals to, what is t value? Minus 1. Substitute here 1 minus of minus 1, that is 2 into this vector 2a bar plus 3b bar minus c bar. Next plus t, again t value minus 1, that is minus 1 into 3a plus 4b minus 2c. So here this is 2 into 2, 4a minus 3a, that is a bar. Next, 2 into 3, 6b minus 4b plus 2b bar minus 2c plus 2c get cancelled. So clear, this is the point of intersection of the two vector equations. So clear, this point of intersection is what? A bar plus 2b bar. See the second one. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the how many points? 3 points. So already you know the vector equation of the plane passing through the 3 points formula is R bar is equals to 1 minus s minus t into OA plus s into OB plus t into OC. So that is the first one. And second question in that, show that the point lies in the plane. See here, this is the plane. This plane passing through is some OA bar, next OB bar and OC bar. First you should find the vector equation of the plane passing through these 3 points. That is the first question. And what is the next question? Fourth point. So that is some OD bar. So this is also lies in the same plane. You know that 4 vectors lies on the same plane. Then the given vectors are coplanar. So what is the coplanar conditions? The box of AB, AC, AD is 0. Then we can say that the vectors are coplanar. See here first, let OA bar is equals to 4i minus 3j minus k. Next, OB bar is equal to 3i plus 7j minus 10k. Next, OC bar is equals to 2i plus 5j minus 7k. And last point, I plus 2j minus 3k. So, first one, the vector equation of plane through how many points? 3 points. That is OA, OB and OC. So you know the formula. that is r bar is equal to 1 minus s minus t into first vector, that is OA, plus what is the second constant? S into second vector OB bar. What is the third constant? T. So plus T into third vector OC. So just we have to substitute the three vectors in that. That is what r bar is equal to 1 minus s minus t OA vector, 4i minus 3j minus k plus s into OB vector, 3i plus 7j minus 10k plus t into OC vector, 2i plus 5j minus 7k. This is the first question. And what is the second one? Show that the fourth point lies on the same plane. So you know that all vectors lies on the same plane means that vectors are coplanar. First you should find what? AB bar. You know AB bar is OB minus OA. What is OB here? Write the coefficients only. 3, 7, minus 10 minus OA. OA is what? 4 minus 3 minus 1. So subtracting these two. 3 minus 4 minus 1, 7 minus half minus 3, 10 minus t minus 10 plus 1 minus 9. Next AC bar. You know AC bar is OC minus OA. What is OC here? Write the coefficients. 2, 5 minus 7 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. Again subtract. 2 minus 4 minus 2, 5 plus 3, 8 minus 7 plus 1 minus 6. The last one AD bar, that is OD bar minus OA. What is OD bar coefficients? 1, 2 minus 3 minus OA bar coefficients, 4 minus 3 minus 1. Again subtract. 1 minus 4 minus 3, 2 minus half minus 3, 5 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Now you can consider the box of AB, AC, AD. This is the determinant of AB bar coefficients. Minus 1, 10, minus 9. AC bar coefficients. Minus 2, 8, minus 6. Last AD bar coefficients. Minus 3, 5, minus 2. You can find the determinant. Plus, minus, plus. First minus 1 into 8 into minus 2. Minus 16 minus again minus plus 30. Minus 10 into. These are the corresponding column. Minus 2 into minus 2. 4 minus 3 into minus 6, 18. Next, minus 9 into. These are corresponding row, corresponding column. Okay. Minus 2 into 5. Minus 10, minus, again minus, plus 8 into 3, 24. So this is minus 30 minus 16, 14. Next, minus 10 into 4 minus 18, minus 14. Next, minus 9 into 24 minus 10. How much? 14. This is minus 14 plus 140 minus 126. Okay. So here minus 14 minus 126 minus 140 plus 140. 0. So clearly AB, AC, AD 0 means given vectors are coplanar. That means therefore the fourth point lies on same plane. So this is the conclusion. Next, third one. This is very important question. In the two-dimensional plane, you know that two-dimensional plane means both x and y axis. So consider the coordinate axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And you know the point of intersection of axis, origin. Prove by using vector methods. Okay. The equation of the line whose intersect on the axis are A and B. That means on x-axis intercept A, on y-axis intercept B. So clearly this is the line. This line having the x-intercept. That means this length is what? A. And what is the y-intercept? B. That is OB is what? B. Here, then we show that this line equation is what? X by A plus y by B equals to 1. Okay. So here, you need to prove this line equation in vector methods. So let us consider O to A bar is some AI because of you need to prove in vector methods. And O to B bar, this is some BJ bar. So right here, let OA bar is equals to AI bar, OB bar is equals to BJ bar. Okay. Next, so clear this vector equation of the line passing through the which points? A and B. See right, you know that the vector equation of line passing through OA bar and OB bar is, that is what? R bar is equals to 1 minus T into OA plus T into OB. We have OA and OB, substitute here. R bar is equals to 1 minus T into what is OA? AI plus T into what is OB? BJ. So clearly you know that R bar is the position vector. So this is the two-dimensional plane. In two-dimensional plane, the position vector can be written as xi plus yj. Okay, that is the formula only. Now comparing the coefficients. Comparing coefficients on both sides. First I bar coefficients, next j bar coefficients. I bar coefficients on LHS. What is the coefficient? X, which is equal to I bar coefficient on RHS. What is the I bar coefficient? 1 minus T into A. Next, J bar coefficient on LHS, Y. J bar coefficient on RHS, TB. So send A left side, B left side. So what will you get? X by A is equals to 1 minus T, Y by B is equals to T. Now, X by A plus Y by B. What is X by A? 1 minus T, Y by B, T. T cancel. So what will you get? X by A plus Y by B equals to 1. That is what? Vector equation line passing through OA and OB is X by A plus Y by B equals to 1. So next we will discuss few 2 marks questions. So these are very important in annual examinations. First one, find the vector equation line passing through the point and parallel to the point. See here first one, solution. Let OA bar is equals to 2i plus 3j plus k and OB bar is equals to 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Here you need to find vector equation line passing through the point parallel to the point. So here you know that the vector equation of line through first vector and parallel to second vector OB. You know that that equation is what? R bar is equals to right first vector passing through the vector OA bar plus t into right parallel vector OB bar. Now what is R bar? OA 2i plus 3j plus k plus t into OB second vector 4i minus 2j plus 3k. So this is the vector equation line passing through A parallel to B. Okay. And second solution. Find the vector equation of the line joining 2 points. Again let us consider OA bar is equal to first vector 2i plus j plus 3k and OB bar is equal to minus 4i plus 3j minus k. Here we need to find the vector equation line passing through the 2 points. So you have the formula. The vector equation of line through OA and OB is, what is the formula? R bar is equals to 1 minus t into OA plus t into OB. That is R bar is equals to 1 minus t into OA vector, first one 2i plus j plus 3k plus t into second vector minus 4i plus 3j minus k. This is the second one. And the last solution. Here 3 vectors are given, but this is the vector equation of plane passing through the 3 points. First, let us consider OA bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 5k and OB bar is equal to minus 5j minus k and OC bar is equal to minus 3i plus 5j. You know that the vector equation of plane through OA bar, comma OB bar and OC bar is R bar is equal to 1 minus s minus t into what? First vector OA. What is OA? I minus 2j plus 5k plus second constant s into second vector minus 5j minus k plus third constant t into last vector minus 3i plus 5j. So this is the required equation. See the question number 4. Given that OABC is parallelogram, consider a parallelogram OABC. This is OABC. Here OA is what? A bar and OC is what? C bar. Okay. Then find the vector equation of the side BC. You need to find this vector equation of the side BC side. So clearly this BC side parallel to what? OA bar. This is parallel. And passing through what? OC bar. Passing through OC parallel to OA. So clearly given OA bar is equals to A bar. Next, OC bar is equals to what? C bar. Therefore, the vector equation of BC is through which point? OC point. And parallel to which? OA. What is the equation? R bar is equal to, right, passing through the vector first, OC bar, t into parallel vector, OA bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to OC bar, C bar plus t into OA bar, A bar. So this is the vector equation of the side BC. And last one, question number 5. Here A, B, C are the position vectors. That means let OA bar is equal to A bar, OB bar is equal to B bar, OC bar is equal to C bar. How the vertices ABC of a triangle ABC. So this is the triangle ABC. Then find the vector equation of the median through A. So you know that median means a line drawn from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So clearly this is the midpoint. You need to find this equation, this vector AD equation. So clear that AD passing through the point OA and OD. So here D is what? Midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of what? BC. Therefore you can write as OD is equals to what? OB bar plus OC bar by 2. That is OD bar is equals to what? OB, B, OC, C. That is B bar plus C bar by 2. Now clearly we have OA, that is A, and we have OD, B bar plus C bar by 2. Now we can find the vector equation of the line passing through A and D. So you know that the vector equation of line through which points? OA and OD is. What is the formula? R bar is equals to 1 minus T into OA plus T into OD. We have OA and OD. That is R bar is equals to 1 minus T into, what is OA vector? A plus T into OD vector. B bar plus C bar by 2. So this is the median through the A. That is simply median AD vector equation.